we're going to look at the 3 progressions of math, from writing things down to doing it mentally. So we'll use an example here. Let's say we'll do 27 times 9, okay? And we're going to write it 3 times, 27 times 9, to kind of set this up, okay? So the first thing that people do is they start normally on paper from this side. So you would go 7 times 9 is 63. You put down the 3, you carry the 6, okay? Then you would go 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. And that's the answer, okay? Now, the second way is to write it out by groups. Here, you would start from the left side. So you would go 2 times 9 is 18. And 7 times 9 is 63. And then you would just add the columns up. So 3, this is 4, and this is 2. Same answer. The third way is to do it mentally. You look here and you say to yourself that 2 times 9 is 18. Hold that in your mind, 18. Then you add to that the 63, okay? So 18 plus 6 is 24, and what's left over is a 3. So this is your goal. Now, this will not be accepted in school because you don't show your work, but this is a way to show your work. But your goal is to start off by doing it a way that you can see your work here, which is fine by your teacher. But this is more of a way to easily get the answer. You can visually see things broken down. And then here it's mental math, okay? So let's look for another example. Okay, so this time we're going to do 28 times 72, okay? And we'll do it the old way, starting from the right to the left. And so you would go 8 times 2 is 16. You put down the 6, and you carry the 1. Then you would cross multiply this time. So you would go 50. 7 times 8 is 56. 2 times 2 is 4. So 56 and 4 is 60. And you got the 1. So you put down the 1, carry the 6. And the last one is 2 times 7 is 14. 14 and 6 is 20. So you write down 20. That's your answer. Okay? For the next one, we're going to stack it this time, starting from the left side. So 2 times 7 is 14. And then again, we have 7 times 8 is 56 plus 4 is 60. So you put down the 6, 0. And the last one is 8 times 2 is 16. Put the 1 here, the 6 here. And you can see it lines up perfectly to make the same answer. And the last one is all done mentally. So you simply say 2 times 7 is 14. Hold it in your mind. Say it 3 times, 14, 14, 14. Next you cross and add. So you go 56 and 4 is 60. So you add the 6 to the 14 is 20. And you have a 0. So now you have 2, 0, 0. Next you have 8 times 2 is 16. You just add the 16 to the 0. So your answer is 2, 0, 1, 6. Again, your ultimate goal is to do this mentally. So starting from doing it the way you do it in school, and you end up with mental math here. All right? So you can practice that. Take your time. Do the progressions. Do not rush this. There's no rush. It's how your mind thinks and how you learn math. And you can do it.